In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset Instagram Explore page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up our Instagram app, then head over to our profile. Then tap right here at three lines and tap Add Settings and Privacy. In here, first off, we need to get into Suggested Content in What You See section. First off, here we need to get into Interested. It will show us all the posts we have marked as interested in 30 days, and in here we need to clear all that posts. Currently I have no posts here, however if you got some, that's where you can easily delete all of that posts to reset Instagram recommendations. After that, go out of here and get into sensitive content. That's where you can control how much sensitive content you see from accounts you don't follow. You can select standard, less, or more. Simply select the setting that matches the desired level of sensitive content. After that, get into not interested. That's where we can find all the posts for all the time that we have marked as not interested. In here, to reset Instagram recommendations, I recommend you to clear all that posts. To do that, tap at Select, then select posts you would like to delete from here. You can select several posts or all of them. And then down below here, hit Add Remove. Once it is done and it says no results, go out of here. Basically go out of here to Settings and Privacy. After that, towards the very top, you can easily find Account Center. And then tap Add Personal Details. Your information and permissions. We need to get into that option, and that's where we can easily find search history. After that, select your Instagram account, and that's where you will be able to clear your Instagram search history. My history is already cleared, but that's where you can clear yours. Once it is done, there is one more thing that I recommend you to clear, and to do that we need to tap at these three lines on our profile page and then head over to your activity. That's where we need to get into likes, and it will show us all the posts we have ever liked on Instagram, and that's where we need to unlike all the posts of certain type of content that we don't want to see at our Explore page and recommendations. That's where we can find all the types of posts, including regular posts and reels. And then if you would like to unlike some reel, just open it up and then tap at heart icon. The same about regular posts. Just open up a post with the photo and then unlike it. As you can see, both of the posts that I have unliked are still showing here. However, if we get into liked posts again, they will be gone, and then we can continue unliking all the posts that we don't want to see any longer at our Explore page and recommendation system. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.